A chaotic first week tells your newest team members that your internal processes are broken. According to a McKinsey report from 2025, 18% of new hires leave during their probation period. Often, this early exit is triggered by a slow, messy, and uncoordinated onboarding experience. Let's look at the top employee onboarding mistakes that cause this. Mistake number 1 is treating the onboarding process as an isolated task. Many companies act as though introduction workflows are a problem for a single manager to handle via email or checklist. But true integration requires cross-department coordination. If your IT director doesn't know a laptop is required, or your finance lead is missing core tax details, your new team member spends their first morning sitting at an empty desk waiting for accounts to open. Mistake number 2 is a complete lack of digital document automation. Forcing a new hire to spend hours filling out redundant paperwork, manually scanning agreements, and sorting through dense PDFs on day 1 is incredibly time-consuming. Modern employee onboarding software completely removes this bottleneck. Instead of a scattered email thread, your new hire completes all required onboarding documents securely online before their actual start date. Mistake number 3, the information dump. Drowning people in dense PDF manuals and training guides the second they log in, or using internal tools that require a 45-minute tutorial just to learn how to submit a basic leave request instead of learning their actual role, your talent is stuck battling outdated software and information overload. Are you tired of doing employee onboarding the hard way? Factorial builds a cohesive experience for you so your new hires are less likely to leave due to a messy onboarding process. Click the link below for a free demo. When you implement modern employee onboarding best practices, your platform can handle the routine tasks automatically. For instance, the moment an offer is accepted, tasks are instantly generated and distributed to the right teams. Your IT teams get hardware tickets, your finance leads get payroll data, and your compliance paths update effortlessly. Fixing this process ensures your data remains compliant, accurate, and completely on time. More importantly, it creates a professional first week that shows your new talent they joined an organized and highly agile team. Protect and retain your top talent with Factorial. Book a demo. It's completely free. The link's in the description.